You very well could be correct. My only thing is, and I heard somebody say this, I don't want to claim this as my own, but would you try to catch a falling knife? And would you jump?
Yeah.
You would try to catch a falling knife? Why would? Hey everybody, so we just got done recording another session with a handful of students. We went over a couple of tickers that I sent earlier in the chat about where they might be in respect to their levels and zones and what trend changes we might be seeing. Let me know what you guys want to see. If this is something you want to be a part of, you can join through the Discord link below. We covered HOOD and IBKR in this video. Towards the end of the video, we had another student ask about a currency pair. And from there, we started speaking on how to trade with trend, with momentum, and why we avoid reversals and why a ton of people are seeking these counter trend trades. So that's probably going to be included in the next video, but still there's going to be a ton to learn from this video, a ton you guys can enjoy. Once again, if you want to join any of the live chats, just join through the Discord link below. Drop a like, drop a comment, make sure you subscribe. Thank you guys and enjoy.
So what's up, brother?
You want me to look at anything?
Oh yeah. Wait a minute.
You got a lot for me?
Yeah, a lot.
Okay.
Waiting from last week.
Okay, good.
Can we look at HOOD and IBKR?
Okay. So
I did enter on those.
you entered both of these.
Yeah.
Are they to the upside or downside?
I got HOOD to the upside and then IBKR to the downside.
Okay, HOOD to the upside. There's like
They
a zone
both-
level break.
They both have similar structure, like you said.
Yeah, they do.
Is that a good idea to, since they're two?
Yeah, I think HOOD. I just can't tell if this was a good level or not that I have drawn here. It's random. I didn't even round it out. But HOOD looks more to the upside, especially if this is a respectable level that it broke. IBKR looks more to the downside. It hasn't even come above any structural high, at least on the daily time frame. I'll go to the lower frame without drawing anything. I would still consider IBKR at least untradeable. I would not consider it bullish at all. HOOD, I would consider bullish if you just gave me this to look at, because broke the high, that high became that low, and then I don't know where this level came from, but it was on my screen, so I'm assuming it's respectable in some format, and we just broke above that level. Maybe it stalls out here, or maybe we get like a little jump up and then it can continue up. IBKR could break out from here and maybe just follow that similar pattern where HOOD could jump to this area. IBKR would reflect that and probably jump to right here. I think more likely with IBKR, given that it doesn't mirror HOOD identically. I want to say it comes down right here, but again, I'm long on both of these long term. I like both these companies. Yeah. IBKR is my own broker. They're total opposites. HOOD is a simplistic beginner platform, and that's okay. I use Robinhood. And IBKR is for total professionals. They have 2 different softwares, and they offer anything you can think of. They even have event contracts that people started doing that stuff on Polymarket. IBKR was, I thought they were doing it first, but I'm not too sure. But they shortly after adopted it, if they didn't start it.
Oh, yeah.
So they're very innovative.
Robinhood does that too.
Yeah, Robinhood does it too, but they're kind of like ignorant with updating software. They don't want to make it anything very advanced.
Yeah. I just checked in recently. They added where you can trade futures.
Yeah, I mean, I don't even think you can draw on their charts. No. IBKR, they gave up. They have a traditional desktop, or I think they call it workstation, where it looks just like what you would imagine from like the 80s and 90s. And then they have a new software where they didn't even want to try to do any charting. They just allow you to connect TradingView, and it's the exact same thing. It's like this terminal, and it's just in a smaller screen. But yeah, HOOD, I like their concept, and I like that they have a nice little audience that they're appealing to. So that's why I'm a believer in them. People believe, so I believe. IBKR, I believe, so I'm going to invest in them. Yeah, looking at this level again, I think I would raise it up a little bit.
What's up, Jesse?
Is Jesse in here? What's up, Jesse?
So what's up, dude?
You want me to look
All
at
good.
anything?
Oh yeah. Wait a minute.
You got a lot for me?
Yeah, a lot.
Okay.
Waiting from last week.
Okay, good. What else you want to look at?
Let's see.
This week has been really, really good.
It's been good for you?
Good for you, like nice analysis.
Wait, real quick. Did you do these as spreads, or how did you enter IBKR and HOOD?
Just single contracts because it doesn't let me. I was gonna do spreads, but it wouldn't let me.
Okay. The only thing with that is that, let me get this line out of there. This is what I would actually be looking at, but same thing. HOOD's at this zone. If it breaks out tomorrow, it breaks out, right? If it rejects, then you have, I think IBKR, you went short, right? So
Yeah.
you would just hope that IBKR reflects the same thing, rejects that similar level. So same thing. It's just, I think this looks a lot more complete and a lot more thought put into it. But doing the single contracts, just one put, one call, and both those being longs, you're just gonna pay theta on both of them. So that's the one bad thing where even if you're right, it still might hurt a little bit, and it'll be a while before you see a win. Because I view single call, what do you call it? Single call, single put, whatever. Long call, long put as momentum trades. So intraday, or maybe I don't know. I use them as hedges mainly, but really they're just for momentum, so you can get in and out real quickly and not have to worry about the time decay. Because if I have to worry about time decay, I'll just do a spread. But I understand the situation you're in, where they wouldn't let you.
Yeah.
All right, Jesse, what do you want me to look at?
Can I share my screen? Yes, I am.
Okay, why don't you share it, and then I'll just open it up.
I don't have any laptop or PC.
Yeah.
So how is it looking, Tony?
It looks good. Walk us through it.
Really? Is it going to hit my TP or what?
Is it going to? Well, I mean, I don't know that. You're in GCAD. Without looking at it, I believe that GCAD is, I mean, I think it's up, is it not? You have a moving average there that looks like it's pointing up. Why are you looking towards the downside?
I think it will get down to this area
And why do you think that?
because of the liquidity and the
So,
rejections on weekly candle. We can see. Here we go.
okay, so you very well could be correct. My only thing is, and I heard somebody say this, I don't want to claim this as my own, but would you try to catch a falling knife? And would you jump?
Yeah.
You would try to catch a falling knife? Why would you? Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this video. You can see at the end there, we're going over the currency pair. It's kind of bridging into what I want to cover next. I really just want to go over how everybody wants to go to these counter trend and these reversal trades, but they're very low probability no matter how profitable they might look. If that's something that you guys think you can learn from, just look forward to our next videos. I also want to get more into commentating as I am charting the levels and zones. So I need to be more conscious and mindful that I need to speak and not just think as I'm doing that, just so it gives you guys more insight into what I'm thinking as I'm doing something and not just me silently sitting there and mumbling to myself. So as we progress, I'll try to work on that myself. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. If you want to be a part of this, join through the Discord link below. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed.